Yo, okay, you guys. So, what I'm about to say, I'm obviously not a financial advisor or anything like that, you guys. And please, you don't have to take my word for it. I'm simply just, if anything, just watch. Just watch, you guys. So, I want you to look at this real quick. I'm going to first explain what I see here, right here, real quick. So, first off, you guys, look at this. You see the price at Bitcoin right now. It's at $54,000. First, before I talk about where price is at right now, let's go to the past. Obviously, we got to take a look at the past to see what's been going on in the future. So, I've been watching Bitcoin for quite a while. I saw the rise of it. And people made millions upon millions of dollars when it was like down here, like the $50 level in like 2015, 2016, and it rose up, skyrocketed up to like 20,000. So, in 2020, in 2023, 2022, 2023. Bitcoin went down to $16,000, and I could not believe it went down to like the 10,000s area. At that point, I was like, dude, can it go any lower? It has to blow up from here. If you would have bought from here and held onto it all the way till we broke this top right here, you would have sextupled your money, eight times, 8x your money. Now, what I want to tell you guys is we have an election coming up. We have an election coming up, you guys, and I'm going to bring your attention to something real quick, you guys. Look at election time last year, right before Trump became president, right? So we're going to go to 2019, November-ish 2019, you guys. You see, it was at $7,000. $7,000. The height that it reached earlier this year was $70,000. It 10x'd. You could have 10x'd whatever you put into the market right by election time and held on to it until the next president. It was at 7,000. Trump became president. Look what happened within a year. Within 6 months after Trump became president, this shit skyrocketed up to fucking 60,000, you guys. Now, we are approaching election times. It's September, early September. My prediction, you guys, is that I think it's going to go down to the 30,000 level and then reverse and then blow past all this and hit $100,000, you guys. This right here, and I know what you're thinking, who the hell is he? How can you say things like this? I've been following ICT for a very long time, you guys. Not a very long time, but I've been practicing and trading for a year and a half straight. Been following ICT for a year and a half, and his ideas work. They just work, you guys. This is how market structure works. So let me show you what I see in the market that makes me think this. Now, back in August, price went down to the $40,000 level. I thought it was going to go down there, and I was like, you know what? We're going to hit this little fair value gap right here. We're going to collect all of those sell orders and then use that to punch up a little bit further. And little did I know, it actually did that. I didn't buy it because I wanted to see and watch what's going to happen. This is a move you don't want to miss, you guys. And once again, I'm just telling you, you don't have to believe me. Just watch. Just watch, you guys. This isn't going to happen overnight. It's going to take about 6 months, but this is the time to start buying Bitcoin. I'm going to put in $20 at the end of this video right now. You guys, I'm going to put 20 bucks into it. I don't have much money, unfortunately, but we're going to see very rich people within these next few months, you guys. And in about a year or two, there are going to be some very, very rich people. The streamers, everyone with X surplus amounts of cash, they're going to be flaunting it. We're going to see so many rich people, content creators, and people who are just rich are like the new cast. There's a brand new like level of society that's been created because of YouTube and social media and tech and stuff like that, you guys. Now they have just plenty of money and they just sit on their ass making videos all day. Yeah, they're going to put their money into Bitcoin and stuff like that. Aiden Ross, these people are going to be super fucking rich, you guys. I'm telling you. So let's take a look at this, right? So this candle right here, this wick, what I am going to do is at the end of this video, I'm going to just put like 10, 20 bucks in. Once it goes past this level, the 49,000 level, and gets down to here, around right here, this 40,000, 49 to 48,000, 47,000 level right here, this whole level right here. Let me just draw it out for you so you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. Let me see if I can get a little, where the shapes at? Where the damn shapes at, man? Where the shapes at? Oh, where the, okay, so once it gets to this like level right here, right? This level, we're going to buy again. We're going to buy some more. So I'm going to buy right here. You're going to buy some more. Now, I want to, ideally, my prediction is that it's going to hit It's going to go past this as well. It's going to go past that 38,000 level, and I think it's going to get around this level. Once it hits this level or even further, this is when you need to load up on it. You need to load up on it, because then at that point, you guys, this shit is about to blow up. It's going to go all the way up, you guys. It's going all the way up. Another reason why I see that is because look at these. We have equal highs, and this right here is the biggest tall tale sign right here, you guys. Let me put a circle around it, or let me just put a rectangle. This right here. Let me zoom in a little bit, you guys. This right here is hardly ever seen in cryptocurrency. And for these equal highs to be at such a high level, and for Bitcoin to be going down, you guys, it is guaranteed to blow past this. I'm telling you, it is guaranteed to blow past this. It is not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen even in the next month. It's going to take a few months to happen. But the move is going to be, it's going to happen before you're even on it. That's why I'm telling you guys, you need to watch it now. I'm telling all my family members, I'm telling all my loved ones, I'm telling everyone right now, if you follow me, you guys, watch Bitcoin. I'm going to buy Bitcoin. It's time to start buying. Pay attention to the media. Media is going to say Bitcoin's crashing. Bitcoin's crashing. Oh, Japan's making the Bitcoin crash. Oh, all of this international stuff. They're not going to tell you when to buy. I'm telling you, you guys. This is the best time to start getting into crypto, or into Bitcoin anyways. However much money you got, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you budgets, right? So for me, unfortunately, I don't have as much the money I had last year and the year before. I was loaded. I wish I would have saved that money, because right now, $10,000 would be in the Bitcoin. $10,000. So we're going to do budget. We're going to do $100, $1,000, and $10,000. And I'm going to tell you what I think you should do with that a certain amount of money with that budget. If you got $10,000, I'm going to just tell you straight up right here, right? If you got $10,000, I think what you should do is you should get a broker. You should go find a broker, get on MetaTrader 5, and actually leverage your money. The reason why is because if you get micro lots of Bitcoin, it's very expensive to hold on to it. It's very, very expensive if you leverage your money. But if you leverage, you will. This is almost a guaranteed fucking win. I might actually do that. I'm not even gonna lie. If it hits 30,000, I'm gonna open up a broker account and I'm gonna hold that motherfucker. And that $100 could probably turn into fucking 10,000 if you leverage your cash the proper way. But if you got $10,000, you guys, what I would do is I would buy one micro lot right now. Open up a broker, buy one micro lot right now at this level. When it hits this level, buy another micro lot. Right? Or maybe two micro lots. But if it hits this level, you guys, that's when I think you need to start loading up a little bit. Obviously, save some for if it goes down to here. If it goes past 14 and 15,000, you guys, dude, gold. But I want to show you something else again, you guys. Look at the election time again, right? November here. It reached a high, the all-time high in 2021. You could have got out around here. But the next opportunity to buy wasn't for another 2-3 years. The opportunity to buy again is not going to be for another 2 or 3 years. You might as well get on while it's hot right now, you guys. I'm so serious. Once again, don't listen to me. You don't have to trust me. Just watch it. Just watch Bitcoin the next 6 months. Download TradingView. Download TradingView on your phone, you guys. Download TradingView on your phone, or get on your website, go on, your browser, Safari on your phone or something, you guys. Make a little account and just put the chart here or something, you guys. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to add all these market watches on TradingView and stuff like that, let me know. Put in the comments down below, you guys. But I'm telling you, you guys, this is beautiful. And we're looking at the weekly chart right now, you guys. We're looking at the weekly. This is beautiful. I have never seen such an amazing guaranteed buy. This is a guaranteed buy, you guys. Once again, you buy right now, you're going to lose a little bit of money, but the idea is not to make quick cash. It's to hold on to it and then let off once it hits a very high level, which I think is going to hit the 100,000 level, you guys. It's my personal opinion. Once it blows past the 74,000 level or the $72,000 level, you can take it off. You can just sell completely, and that would be a decent income, right? but I think in actuality it'll hit around the $100,000 level. It's gonna take 6 to 7 months. It's probably gonna take even a year to get there, but this is an unprecedented time, you guys. Watch Bitcoin. It's gonna go down here to the $40,000 level. Buy. If it hits 38,000, 33,000, buy. If it hits 20,000, fucking buy. If it hits 15,000, you better put your fucking life savings into that shit, you guys. I'm telling you. I'm fucking telling you. Here's another reason why I believe and I know it's gonna go up. S&P 500 just added Dell and Palantir stocks to the S&P 500. Those are tech companies. Tech is only going up. We are headed in the direction of cyberpunk, you guys. The world's going to be, it's already being run by tech companies. It's only going to get even more tech and AI driven. It's only going to get more tech and AI driven. And you better fucking believe they got their money in Bitcoin, you guys. They got how much news have you seen that the US dollar is collapsing? Where are people going to put their money in? Gold and Bitcoin, you guys. Gold, Bitcoin, and stock tech companies, you guys. That's where money is going. This is where you need to go. You missed all the other opportunities with Bitcoin, you guys. This is the fucking time to do it. I'm telling you. You don't even. Okay, so let me finish the 10,000 and 100,000, right? So 10,000. You get a broker, leverage your cash. That's what you need to do. If you have $1,000, $1,000 and $100, you guys, if that's what your budget is, you just need to just throw like $10, $20 here, left and right, right? But I'm like, if it hits 30,000, when it hits 30,000, and if it hits even lower than that, you need to start throwing in hundreds. You need to start throwing in hundreds, you guys, and then just hold on to it. You need to start saving your money up for the holidays. I know you want to get a new car. I know you want to get some new shoes. I know you want to get some tattoos. I know you want to get some furniture, a new laptop, computer. Save your money for these next few months, you guys. This is going to be a very, very, very juicy trade. I'm telling you. Once again, don't trust me. Watch. I'm going to invest into this shit, you guys. I don't ever usually get out here and tell you guys when to buy stuff like this, but I've been watching Bitcoin for a couple years. Missed a couple moves, except back in like 20, what was it, like 20 fucking like 19 or something, you guys. I put in like $20. It went up a little bit, and then I just pulled out, and I left like 80 cents into it, and then it shot the fuck up around 2021, 2022. My 80 cents turned into $80, $90, you guys, and I was like, what in the hell? I cannot believe it. I looked at my Coinbase account like 2 years later, 80 cents turned into $80, $90, you guys. This is a great time to get into it. I'll obviously make more videos updating you left and right on, you know, what the Bitcoin is doing and stuff like that, you guys, because I'm watching this shit, man. I'm really watching it, and we ain't even looked at the daily. Look at the daily, you guys. This is an even better indicator of where it's going right now, you guys. You see here, we rejected this level hard, and we crashed down. We have some nice levels right here. We are going down, you guys. It might take a minute, right? Might take a minute. What I think that we might do is I think we're going to, for the next week, we're going to go down. We're going to develop a fair value gap over here. And we're going to go up a little bit and then crash down by September. In October, we're going to be in this area. By October and November, we're going to be down in this area, you guys. Just watch. Oh my God, I can't say it, my bad. Like by October, November, we're going to be down in this area somewhere, you guys. We're going to be down in this area somewhere, you guys. Just watch the Bitcoin. Start buying. It's time to start buying. If you're not going to buy, just watch. Sit on the sidelines. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to listen to any of that shit. Just sit on the sidelines and just watch. The opportunity will come again in a couple years. So with that being said, hit me up if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. This is a great time. I'm so happy that this is going down. Another thing, man, I didn't expect this video to be this long, but another reason why I say that is because we need to take a look at Dow Jones and we need to take a look at S&P, you guys. This is a great indicator as to what the market is doing. It's going down. We have plenty of room right here for the market, for big institutional funds, for central banks to collect all of this buying money and then shoot this motherfucker up, you guys. Whoever the president is going to be, I think it's going to be Kamala Harris. I'm not going to lie, you guys. I think Kamala Harris is going to be the president. I think that if Trump becomes a president, that'd be the best thing ever, but we don't live in that world right now, you guys. You see the way OnlyFans, you see how society has gone. We got the shit that's happening at the Olympics, you guys, like the world is not, it's not going in the best way. It's just not, you guys. And so you have to be a realist. You can't go off of emotion, you guys. You got to understand where society is going. I think Kamala Harris is going to be the president, and she's going to be considered the savior of the economy, because Bitcoin and all the institutional funds and all of the fucking tech stock markets are going to in money. Presidents, for the most part, and politicians are just puppets. The real people that run the world are companies, you guys. They're the face, right? You look at the rappers, man. The rappers are making millions and millions upon millions of dollars, but the people that are behind the rappers, the record labels, billions. That's what the president is. The president is just the fucking rapper, right? There's people behind them pulling the fucking strings, you guys. So I think Kamala Harris is going to be the president. I don't want her to be the president, but I think she's going to be the president, and she's going to be considered, whoever the president is going to be considered the savior of America. So I need you guys to pay attention to that, you guys. With that being said, man, it's your brother Trey. I'll see you guys in another video.